New York, Reuters, world stocks were mixed on Wednesday, with fears of an imminent escalation in the tariff war between the US and China holding back gains, though robust results from technology giant Apple Inc. boosted a key index on Wall Street. Shares of Apple, which jumped 4.7% to a record high of $199.26 after predicting a surge in current quarter sales, was the biggest advancer on all three major U.S. stock indexes. Still, market participants said Wednesday a euro trademark's reversal after a recent sell-off of tech shares might not be sustainable. A euro or would her that is a long-lasting effect on the tech sector is a question that cannot be answered. A euro, said Randy Frederick, Vice President of Trading and Derivatives for Charles Schwab in Austin. A euro or ether is a big additional tariff that is being weighed and could be put into place at any moment, which is a concern. A euro. The U.S. administration plans to propose tariffs of 25% instead of 10%, on $200 billion worth of imported Chinese goods. Beijing vowed to retaliate if the United States slapped further tariffs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 24.36 points, or 0.1%, to 25,390.83, the S&P 500 lost 0.8 points, or 0.03%, to 2,815.49, and the Nasdaq Composite added 23.50 points, or 0.31%, to 7,695.29. MISI, a euro trademark's gauge of stocks across the globe, shed 0.12%, while the pan-European FTSE Euro First 300 index lost 0.46%. Concern over what a full-blown trade conflict would mean for China and the global economy weighed on Chinese shares, the offshore yuan and the Australian dollar. Wednesday a euro trademark's reaction remained fairly muted, however, as investors turned their attention to central bank decisions. A euro maybe the market is underestimating the economic impacts of the tariffs, and that is why it is keeping calm. A euro, said Thursday Lan Wen, a currencies strategist at Commerzbank in Frankfurt. The U.S. Federal Reserve concludes its monetary policy meeting on Wednesday, and market participants are preparing to peruse the FED euro trademark's statement for signs of whether the expected 2 rate hikes for the rest of 2018 can be cemented into pricing. The yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note broke above 3% for the first time since June 13 after the U.S. government said it intended to boost borrowing from the bond market in the coming quarter to fund spending and debt obligations. The government needs to fund a rising budget deficit even as the Federal Reserve continues to reduce its massive bond portfolio. The Japanese yen strengthened 0.05% versus the greenback at 111.83 per dollar after Tuesday a euro trademark's pledge by the Bank of Japan to keep rates extremely low for an extended period. Traders appeared to be putting the BOJA euro trademark's tolerance for higher yields to the test on Wednesday as the benchmark 10-year Japanese government bond yield rose to 0.12% in its biggest one-day rise in 2 years. Oil prices fell on data showing an unexpected rise in U.S. crude stockpiles. The slump in crude prices comes after their largest monthly decline in 2 years in July. U.S. crude fell 1.69% to $67.60 per barrel, and Brent was last at $72.68, down 2.06% on the day.